Introduction. Classes in JavaScript are a fundamental concept for developers. They help in creating objects and object-oriented programming (OOP). Article explores JavaScript classes, their functioning and effective usage, understanding JavaScript classes. JavaScript classes are blueprints for creating objects with specific methods and properties. Introduced in ECMAScript 2015 ES6, primarily syntactical sugar over JavaScript's existing prototype-based inheritance. The class syntax does not introduce a new object-oriented inheritance model to JavaScript. Example of a class in JavaScript: class car with constructor method, creating an object from a class. Classes can be used to create objects. The new keyword is used to instantiate a new object from a class. Example of creating an object from a class: let my car equals new car Ford 2004. Methods in classes. Classes can contain methods, which are functions defined inside the class. Example of a method in class: age method in car class that calculates the age of the car. Common mistakes and tips. Forgetting to use the new keyword when creating an instance of a class can lead to unexpected results or errors. Must use this keyword when referring to properties of the class within its methods to avoid reference errors. If you do not specify a constructor method, JavaScript will add an empty constructor method. However, for initializing some properties, you need to add your own constructor method. Conclusion: JavaScript classes are a powerful tool for organizing code and creating objects with specific properties and methods. Understanding how to create and use classes and avoiding common mistakes can lead to more efficient and cleaner code.